We're out here in Cardinal Stadium in the purple lot doing our setup for the mass vaccination site. We're really looking forward to having an opportunity to get as many people vaccinated as possible, as quickly as possible. We are partnering with AmeriCorps for some staff, as well as our National Guard support. We're going to have some of our own University of Louisville staff members here, as well as medical students. We're setting up multiple lanes. We're going to have 24 lanes for cars to come through. It's a drive-through vaccination site, and the goal is to have up to 4,000 people per day here to be vaccinated. We are open to anybody 16 and older that wants to sign up for vaccination. We went live with sign-ups this past Wednesday. We've had a good showing so far, but there are plenty of opportunities to get to sign up and have an appointment for vaccination. What you'll see behind is we're going to have tents all down the middle row here. There's going to be tents set up where all of the staff members will be undercover and where the cars will be able to drive through to protect from any rain, from being out in the sun. You want it to be easy for people. You want easy and quick. And so that's why we chose the purple lot here, is because there's so much space. We can get people off the road, in through a kind of a traffic pattern and into here. We are not focused only on Louisville itself. We are looking at the county as well as our surrounding counties, and anybody in the state that wants to come. April the 12th is our first day here, and we're going to be going for 7 weeks. So really trying to get as many vaccines out there as possible. We plan on using Pfizer vaccine, which will mean that there will be a second appointment for those that are getting vaccinated. Right now, as you sign up through our system, once you sign up and you get your first vaccine, you're automatically scheduled for your second appointment. Seeing from the beginning when we started testing COVID and the unknown to now vaccines, slow rollout to being able to do something in a large scale is really exciting.